Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink to text in Framer. This is a really useful skill if you're building a website and want to make certain words or phrases clickable, directing your visitors to other pages or external links. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head over to framer.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where your project is stored, as this will give you access to all your designs and pages. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are displayed. Simply click on the project where you want to add the hyperlink to text. This will open up the project in the Framer editor, giving you full access to edit and customize your design. Now let's add some text to work with. At the top of the editor, you'll see a toolbar with various options. Click on the text tool, which allows you to insert text elements onto your canvas. Once you've selected the text tool, click anywhere on your canvas and type in a phrase. Something like "click here" works perfectly as an example. With your text now on the canvas, it's time to create the hyperlink. Highlight the word or portion of text you want to turn into a link. In this case, let's highlight the word "here." This is the part of the text that will become clickable. Now look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see a panel with various options for customizing your selected text. In this panel, locate the section labeled Link. Under it, you'll find a field called Link To. This is where you'll input the URL you want the text to link to, type or paste your desired link into that field, and hit the Enter key to confirm it. Once you've added the link, you'll notice some additional options appear. You can choose whether the link opens in a new tab or the same tab when clicked. This is especially useful if you're linking to an external site and want to keep your visitors on your page. Next, click on Style, and you'll see an Edit option under Link. This allows you to adjust the color, underline, and other styling properties of your hyperlink to match your site's design. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to text in Framer, making your site more interactive and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.